So you're driving, and I'm in my vehicle here, back here, and it's Christmas. You just could change it automatically, send the Christmas theme to the back. Look at that. Christmas is around the corner. Good. That's about it.
Today, we're going to bring an LED matrix panel. Now, this is perfect if you're an Uber driver or you're a delivery driver and you want to make sure that people want to notice you. This is probably one of the ways to advertise out of your car or pretty much anywhere. You can even put it on your business on the window outside and actually add any device to any device. You could actually add anything, little pictures, names, numbers, and pretty much. So we're going to take a look at it and see how this works. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, so let's take a look at exactly what you get. You get the user manual. You get actual double-sided tape. So this is perfect for those that don't have adhesive in their system. But just to let you guys know, there is adhesive built in the actual system. So it sticks out to any kind of glass. But to maintain it and keep it there a little bit better, double-sided tape. Now, they do give you the actual a car adapter, and it displays how much charge is actually passing through. So this is a pretty awesome little thing. And they give you two USBs on it, and then an off and on switch if you want to turn it off. And then this is a control module to actually display and flip the actual image, so it could mirror it or it could be the opposite way. So very unique little item. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, just to give you guys a understanding of how big this thing is. So we're going to do a measuring tape. And right now we're about close to 15 inches, right? It's about 14 and a half, all right? That's how big this thing is, all right? Now, let's see the width of it. So it's about three and a half, close to three. But you're going to get 3 inches pretty much of the actual display, 3-in-1 kind of thing. So we're going to do a droid. And what we want to do is set this up here where we're going to say, take a picture of it. And this has it's sticky. This is actually sticky. It will stick in your window automatically. So I'm going to put this in here. We're going to grab our phone. We're going to take a picture of it. And then we're going to go to photo mode. And then here we have the photo mode. We're going to see if we could get it. There it is. It found it, the application. We go into the application itself. Once it tells you here what application, Cool LED, install it. All right, we're going to turn off a couple lights. And if you guys notice, we go ahead and say next step. And we say tips. Yeah, we understand. While using the application, yes. Allowed. And then it's going to search. Choose the device. It's going to ask you, choose the device. We choose the device. We connect it to the device already. So once we have that connection going, we're able to use the actual system. So if you guys notice right now, we have nothing, but we go to patterns. We're going to choose a pattern here, right? And it's going to send it to the pattern to the actual system itself, right? And it takes about, maybe less than a minute. And here we are. Notice we got the stuff going in. So we said notice, if you guys notice. So you could have this outside of your car displaying anytime you want. Now, we're going to go ahead and put this again. Now, we're going to do it. Say it's Christmas time. You want a facility. You want to, get up to the festivals. And pretty much we're going to set up our Christmas time. You're a big gamer, just like me. You want to set up Yoshi. You can set up Yoshi in here. And actually, it's eating one of the eggs. I like that. That's pretty awesome. You could do all sorts of things like, hey, there's a car right behind you, and you have this behind the car. You say, back off, or some of the things like that. We could set up multiple animations that we have, and then we could go to graffiti, animation. And graffiti is actually, you click on it, and you could add your own, all right? So we're going to say Frank. And we're going to say save. We're going to save it. And we could say, we could put music if we want, but we're just going to do it as is. So we're going to do that. We're going to send it to here. There it is. Frank just came out. Of course, I wasn't very accurate right now, but I just did it on the fly so you guys can see how fast it is. All right. So we're going to do that. So we got plenty of patterns in here. You could go along with music too. You could put music on here. So while using the app, I'm going to push play, test 1, 2, 3. And it goes into the play mode. I'm not going to share the music because I don't want to get monetized, but pretty much you could have this as a music a meter for your purposes if you guys want to enjoy this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.